Now, please view this video that is part of our presentation about how ping pong actually is a methodology that they're using across the globe to help people ward off the further deterioration of the brain. So that they're now saying that you're actually able to delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease and dementia because of the spatial tasking. And this is the theory behind whole brain power. The hands grow the brain. There are more connections to the brain's frontal lobes via the hands than all of the other senses combined. That's called the homunculus theory.
Fast-paced, tactical, physical, fun. But could table tennis help Alzheimer's patients? Scientists at King's College are now leading research into the benefits of the sport on a disease that has a devastating impact on the lives of many, ebbing away at people's memory, concentration and judgment.
Well, it might seem a bit strange, ping pong and Alzheimer's, but the nice thing about ping pong is it's got so many different things involved. There's hand-eye coordination there, it's very fast moving, there's also a social element involved. And we think it might help and sort of exercise the brain in a way and help these people in the early stages of Alzheimer's disease.
32 volunteers will take part in the project. They all have early onset Alzheimer's. 16 of them will play ping pong weekly. The other 16 won't play it at all, but all their brains will be scanned and compared to see if there are any changes.
The project was launched at this year's Alzheimer's show, which aims to support carers and the families of those living with dementia, people like Keith and Rose.
How are you enjoying it, Keith?
Love it, it's absolutely brilliant.
He was diagnosed with dementia 18 months ago.
It's really fun for me to watch because, I mean, he hasn't played ping pong for ages. Just watching him warm up and get used to it, and you can, he's been really absorbed by it and feels like he's really connected with it. So it's been great.
It's just marvellous, and I'm opening up again a little way. I can't do it all, but certainly it's come as this. It's, oh, yeah.
There is no cure for Alzheimer's, but scientists hope research into ways to slow its progression, like this project, will help to improve the minds and bodies of people living with the disease. Talua Derrier, BBC London News.
So when you're able to bounce a ball off of a hammer that has a small surface area of less than 1 square inch, then when you're playing ping pong, it's a piece of cake. And then when you're bouncing the golf ball on the round side of a ball peen hammer. So when I'm bouncing this golf ball on the round side of the ball peen hammer, and I'm actually talking to you at the same time, let me do some of my mental gymnastics. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Here's the alphabet from the end to the middle. Here we go. A, Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W, E, V, F, U, G, T, H, S, I, R, J, Q, K, P, L, O, M, N. From the middle out. N, M, O, L, P, Q, Q, J, R, I, S, H, T, G, U, F, V, E, W, X, U, Y, B, Z, A. Now let's break into the states in alphabetical order down to Massachusetts, Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts. Now my brain's getting such a wonderful workout. Why don't you investigate whole brain power and join our tribe?